People are judgmental by nature.
I was judgmental. When I was young,
All of us.
we are all
I think
judgmental.
I have to agree. All of us are
We
judgmental.
are all judgmental.
Yes, yes.
I judge people all the time. Nung bata ako, yung mga pag may suplada or hindi ako pinansin, tara naman to. Tapos may makita ka, hindi ko gusto yan. Di ba? But I think it helped a lot when I went through judgment. I came out as more understanding and compassionate. I remember that kasi pag mag-uusap kami ni Alex, tapos may kukwento siyang ganyan, lagi mo sasabihin sa kanya, ayokong pag-isipan siya ng masama kasi alam ko yung feeling ng pinag-iisipan ng masama.
Correct.
Tapos sasabihin ni Alex, ayaw nga. Minsan pag magkukwento si Alex din, promotor ng mga kwentuhan ng mga kung ano-ano yun. Ganito, ganyan. Sasabihin ko, alam mo, isipin mo, ganyan din nagkukwento sila tungkol sa atin. Totoo ba? Hindi. Baka hindi totoo
Oo
yun.
nga, no?
So may isip mo na kung paano ka maniniwala sa kwentong yon na narinig mo lang, ganun din sila naniniwala ng mga kwento na narinig nila sa'yo. So, mababalanse mo. So, hindi na.
Totoo.
Naging, tinaray mo na maging less judgmental and be more compassionate. Tapos, if you realize and if you try to understand, people are going through painful experiences and silent battles they do not talk about. Maybe that's why they say hurtful things to other people. They can do hurtful things to you. Kasi inside, they're also hurting. So, their subconscious is just looking for triggers on the outside world na pwede nilang i-project
At
yung
tama
pain
lahat ng sinabi mo.
na pagdadaanan nila.
Tama lahat ng sinabi
Kaya
mo.
do not take things
Yes.
personally. Nabasa ko yon
Right.
si Michael Singer sa Untethered Soul na wag mo raw i-take personally lahat ng ginagawa sa'yo ng isang tao or
Naku,
sinasabi.
ganun pa man din tayo, na may
Oo.
personal tayo parati.
Huwag natin
diba?
i-take personal kasi marahil may pinagdadaanan yung taong yun. It's not really about you. It's about what they're going through
Ang dami
in their
kong
inner
real-
world.
Yeah,
Even si
oo.
Paul, he told me na don't ever think na tama ka, mali sila. Baka in their eyes, tama sila. Tama yung paningin nila sa'yo, yun ang paniniwala nila kasi hindi mo alam yung background nila how they were raised, what environment they are in. Maybe in their world, what they think they said about you is right. And you just have to accept that and respect that. Kasi pananaw nila yun It's not your job to convince them to like you or to win them. Your crown is not found in winning them over. Hindi yun yung corona.
And you cannot win them all.
You cannot win them all.
right.
It's okay. It's okay to lose this battle. Sinabi ni Inang yun, I talked to Inang.
Olive Lumasan?
Yes.
Oh.
Nag-sit down interview kami. And she shared something very beautiful to me. She said, Tony, in this life, you have to know which battles you are willing to lose to win the war. Sabi ko, ay, ang ganda nun.
Di ba?
There are battles na hayaan mo nang matalo ka. Kasi you have to win the war in the end. So sabi ko, ay, oo nga no. Ito yung mga maliliit na bagay, okay na yan. Parang mas madaling ma-let go mo na yung mga ganung bagay.